Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to blend two videos in Filmora application. Blending two videos in Filmora application involves using the overlay feature. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Filmora application to get started. Click on the New Project button on the home page and select a video you would like to edit. This will be your main video clip on your project. Once you select a video, click on Import at the bottom right and you will be able to see the video on your timeline. Go to the bottom menu and click on PIP option. Now, select the other video you want to overlay on top of the first one. Once the overlay video is added, you can position it by dragging it to the desired area or location. You can also resize the overlay video by pinching and dragging the corners of the video frame. Now, after you are done, click on the tick mark at the top right. Select the second video from the timeline and then go to the blending option at the bottom. Once you get to the blending option, adjust the opacity by dragging the slider at the bottom. Lowering the opacity will make the overlay video more transparent. You can also go ahead and select the blending features available on the screen. After you are done, click on the tick mark and then ensure that the overlay video's duration matches the main video if you want them to play simultaneously. Simply drag the edges of the overlay video or cut out the part that you no longer need in order to match the video duration. After you are done with it, you will be able to see two different videos blended into one. Finally, after you are happy with the result, click on Export at the top right corner. Select one of the export settings and that way you will be able to blend two different videos into one in Filmora application. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.